Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Queen Beliza. This is me Shazia. Hope everybody's doing well and hope you all are staying indoors. So in today's video, I'm sitting barefaced right here in front of you so that I can show you how you can use one liquid lipstick from your vanity as a multi-purpose product to do your entire makeup. So you are going to see it from scratch and we'll see how it continues till the end of the video. So stick around and please keep watching my video. Bye. So to quickly start off with this tutorial, I'm going to prep my skin first. To prep my skin, I'm going to use the Garnier's Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. This is a very good moisturizing cream. So I'm going to use a quite good amount of quantity of product from this cream so that my lipstick glides beautifully onto my skin while I do my makeup. I'm quickly going to massage it into my skin in circular motions so that my skin looks plumpy and really beautiful. So after I have beautifully moisturized and prepped my skin, I'm quickly going to use the Lakme CC cream. This is in the shade beige to give my skin a little bit of coverage so that it looks presentable and very beautiful. I'm going to take one pump of this on the back of my hand. As you can see how much product I've taken, and I'm going to dot this on my skin so that the coverage is little bit sheer. I don't want to go for any heavy coverage, so I prefer dotting it on my skin first, and then I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend it out. Don't forget to cover your neck because there should not be any line of demarcation going on from your face to your neck. It should be covered beautifully. So to blend this out, I'm taking a damp beauty blender, and with the help of a closer view, I'm going to blend this into my skin. I'm bouncing the blender so that the coverage is little bit sheer and not too heavy, and it blends really seamlessly into my skin. The discoloration and the pigmentation is going to disappear with the help of this product so that my skin looks really flawless. As you can see, difference on both the sides. You should never forget to blend your foundation and take it to your neck because there will be always a line of demarcation if you do not cover your neck with your base product, and that should not happen. That is not the sign of a professional makeup. Do remember that. Also don't forget to take it to your hairline, push it back into your hairline so that it looks really seamless, as if you have not applied anything and your skin is looking just beautiful without any heavy products. To cover up the discoloration under my eyes, I'm going to use the LA Girls concealer. You can totally skip this step if you do not have dark circles. There is no compulsion or hard and fast rule so that you need to use concealer. I'm just using it to just make my eyes look really beautiful and seamless. I want my base to look all well blended and seamless. That's the reason I'm doing it. I'm going to blend it with the same wet blender. I'm taking the product onto my eyelid as well. Just a little bit of product. As you can see, you saw I have used just a little bit quantity of product. See, the discoloration just disappears if you apply a little bit of concealer. After your base, now here comes the best part for which we are seeing this video, for the reason you have played this video. So I'm going to use a liquid lipstick from Smashbox. This is in the shade Gulabe, and I'm going to use this in 3 different ways. So first, I'm going to use it as a blush. I'm going to take it on the back of my hand, taking a good amount of product on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take this same wet beauty blender and I'm going to apply it as a blush, bouncing the product onto my beauty blender and then applying it as a blush so that it applies really beautifully into my skin and there is no patchiness going on at all. You can see it is looking so beautiful. Rosy cheeks, as you can see. Doing the same on the other side, bouncing the blender onto my hand where the product I have removed and then pushing it into my skin. Whatever is left, you can dab it onto your nose as well. You can take your time to blend this product seamlessly into your skin. So as you can see, my skin is looking so flushed and pumped up. So after your cheeks, the next way of using your liquid lipstick, the same shade, is to applying it on your eyes as an eyeshadow. So I'm going to apply a quite little bit amount of this product onto my eyes, both the eyes, as an eyeshadow. As you can see, I have applied a very less quantity of product, and then with the help of a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend it in circular motions so that I get a base for my eyeshadow. And this will turn out to be a monochromatic look at the end. Blending on the other eye as well. It's easy to blend. See, it's looking so beautiful. The eyes have just opened up and the flush of pink which is there on my eyes is looking so beautiful and it is looking so presentable, I feel. And guys, if you haven't watched my viral blush hack video, I'm going to link it in the cards here so that you can watch from there and you can see how a blush can make a difference on your face. And also for your thinking, if you are thinking that why my hair is looking so bouncy and so after the eyes, the third way of using this same shade of lipstick is to use it on your lips as a lipstick. So I'm going to apply this on my lips. This shade was particularly made for Indian skin tones, catering to all the Indian skin tones. This shade is from Smashbox and the shade name is Gulabe. If you like this shade, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you have got this shade or you haven't got till now, you should definitely buy and try out this shade. And guys, using liquid lipstick as your blush will last you for much longer time than your usual pan brushes, the powder blushes which you use. So do try out and let me know. So guys, this is the type of look which you can make use of when you are doing conference calls on Zoom. Or else you can also make use of these type of looks which is very easy and ready to get it done in just 2 minutes when you're heading out for something special and you want a tad bit of makeup going on your face. So at that time, this could come very handy to you. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed till now. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye. Love you all.